This video shows you how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2020-2024 Jeep Gladiator. Replacing this filter improves air quality, reduces allergens, and maintains HVAC efficiency. The filter is also known as the AC filter or pollen filter. We'll cover the location, tools needed, and step-by-step instructions. The cabin air filter is located under the hood on the passenger side firewall. It's housed in a rectangular black plastic box, approximately 8 by 10 inches. The filter traps dust, pollen, debris, and odors from entering the vehicle's interior through the HVAC system. To replace the cabin air filter in your Jeep Gladiator, you'll need a few basic tools and materials. A screwdriver or socket set is needed to release the clips or screws holding the filter housing in place. You'll need a new cabin air filter, available as Jeep part number 6807947AA or a compatible equivalent. Wear gloves to keep your hands clean and avoid transferring dirt into the housing. Consider using a vacuum cleaner to thoroughly clean the filter housing before installing the new filter. Ensure the engine is off and cool before beginning. Open the hood and locate the black plastic filter housing on the passenger side firewall. Release the clamps or screws securing the housing cover. These may require a screwdriver or socket set. Now for step 2, removing the old cabin air filter. Carefully pull out the old filter from the housing. As you remove it, take note of the airflow arrows printed on the side of the filter. These arrows show the direction air flows through the filter. This direction is crucial for correct installation of the new filter. The arrows typically point toward the cabin, indicating how air enters the vehicle interior. Before installing the new filter, clean the filter housing to remove dust and debris. This ensures optimal performance of the new filter and prevents mold growth. Use a vacuum cleaner to thoroughly clean inside the housing. A clean housing improves air quality and maintains HVAC efficiency. Regular cleaning prevents mold growth in damp conditions and ensures the new filter works effectively for better cabin air quality. Now insert the new cabin air filter into the housing. Make sure the airflow arrows on the filter point in the correct direction, typically toward the vehicle interior, for proper filtration. Correct orientation is key to efficient airflow and effective filtration. Always double-check before closing the housing. Now reattach the housing cover, securing it with the clamps or screws. Make sure the cover is properly aligned and tightened to prevent air leaks. Start the engine and test the AC system. Turn on the air conditioning and check for proper airflow through the vents and consistent cooling performance. For best results, replace the cabin air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or annually, depending on driving conditions. Consider replacing it during oil changes as a convenient maintenance practice.